People like to tell me I watch a lot of HGTV, so I kind of know how this real estate thing already works. My response is typically congratulatory. I've been a featured realtor on House Hunters twice, which is true. So you know we're gonna look at 3 homes and you have to buy one of them. Hi friends, neighbors. I'm Brett West with the UrbanCastle team at McEnearney Associates Realtors in Washington, D.C. And all joking aside, there is a lot more that goes into buying your home than you probably think. Today, I'll be sharing how our contract and market knowledge adds value to your home buying experience. I recently represented the seller in a transaction where we received 2 offers. The first offer was superbly written by a realtor whose contract demonstrated this is somebody practicing real estate every day and poised to represent the best interests of their clients. The second offer was written by someone not represented by a realtor, and despite my offering some assistance, including sharing that we had a competing offer in hand, this offer was missing required documents and represented a price and terms that our client described as from another universe entirely. In the end, our seller chose to negotiate only with offer number 1. But wait, Brett, we're buying. Why are you telling me about your sellers? I'm glad you asked, because my working knowledge with sellers is important in helping us create the offer most likely to capture the seller's interest in a conversation leading to acceptance of your offer. And building a solid buying strategy starts with knowing how many days we can expect a home to remain on the market before going under contract. What price do we expect the home to sell for? Is this home likely to sell for above or below its original asking price? And do we need to plan for multiple offer situations? If so, do we need to introduce an escalation strategy? And what would that look like? Then once under contract, we're against a game of beat the clock. It's important to understand your deadlines. For instance, if you're buying a condo, is your condo doc review period 6 p.m. on the 3rd day after receipt, like in DC, or 9 p.m. on the 7th day after receipt, like in Northern Virginia? It's critical for your realtor to know and make sure you know. Knowing versus not knowing means the difference between keeping you within the scope of the sales contract or being in breach of contract, which can lead to losing your dream home and your earnest money deposit as well. Beyond understanding how successfully to navigate our ever-changing market, consider this. We realtors need to know and abide by a national code of ethics, as well as the code for each jurisdiction in which we're licensed. The UrbanCastle team is licensed and practices real estate in 3 jurisdictions. We need to understand and often teach our clients about fair housing law and discrimination prevention. We need to be updated on the ever-changing real estate law in each jurisdiction, which requires additional education between relicensing. Plus, there are many more opportunities to build our skills in serving the public to the greatest degree. Protected classes, ADA compliance, rental laws and procedures, property management, working with first-time buyers, working with seniors, assistance animals. All of this information I put in the hands of our clients so they're best equipped to make the decisions that make best sense for them. Now, skeptics and know-it-alls are quick to overlook how vital it is to our clients to have my practical study of the market every day over the course of nearly 2 decades at their disposal. And a pride point here. I do this every day as a top producer with never so much as one ethical complaint filed against my practice from a consumer or another realtor. That can't be said of everyone. And if you don't want to take my word for it, that's just fine. Have a look at what some of our clients have to say about what we do for them. knowledge is power, and I use mine to help our clients succeed in being as powerful as possible in reaching their real estate goals.